Imagine walking into a room filled with endless possibilities, where the magic of wealth creation dances to the rhythm of your dreams. Welcome, fellow adventurers, to the exhilarating world of stocks and bonds. In this captivating journey, we will demystify the intricacies of investing, guiding you through the ever-evolving financial landscape with confidence. So, fasten your seatbelts, don your investing hats, and embark on this enlightening exploration, sprinkled with anecdotes, humor, and relatable content to keep you engaged throughout. The past, present, and future of investing. Investing, the art of planting seeds of capital to nurture a fruitful harvest, has been an integral part of human history. From ancient merchants bartering goods to modern-day financial markets bustling with trades, the essence remains the same: grow wealth and secure our future. Today, with technology as our ally, we witness rapid shifts in the financial world, rendering the once complex realm accessible to eager investors worldwide. The rise of the retail investor. Gone are the days when Wall Street was the playground for the privileged few. The digital revolution has unleashed a new force, the retail investor. Armed with nothing more than a smartphone and a pinch of courage, these everyday individuals now participate in financial markets, challenging the status quo. Stories of ordinary people turning small investments into life-changing fortunes have become the stuff of legends, inspiring millions to take charge of their financial destinies. Understanding the dance of stocks. Stocks, the charismatic performers in this financial theater, embody ownership in companies. As you invest in stocks, you become a shareholder, joining the ensemble of individuals invested in a collective journey. From blue-chip behemoths to promising startups, the stock market is a vibrant ecosystem where supply and demand tango to determine stock prices. But like any dance, stocks have their dips and twirls, and mastering the art of stock picking demands patience and knowledge. The enigmatic world of bonds. Meet the elegant and steadfast partners of the financial dance: bonds. Bonds are debt instruments issued by governments and corporations, promising fixed interest payments to their holders. They provide a steady rhythm to your portfolio, offering stability and security. Like the classical music of the investment world, bonds may seem less thrilling than stocks, but their vital role cannot be underestimated. The power of diversification. Imagine your investment portfolio as a grand orchestra, each instrument playing its unique melody to create a symphony of growth. Diversification is the maestro's baton that brings harmony to your financial endeavors. By spreading your investments across various asset classes, sectors, and geographies, you reduce risk and increase the potential for steady returns. After all, even the best jazz pianists need a supporting band. Embracing the future. From AI to space ventures, the world of investing never remains static. Technological advances have paved the way for revolutionary changes, shaping the future of finance. Artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms analyze data faster than a hummingbird's flutter, guiding investors with data-driven insights. Moreover, the cosmos itself beckons with the rise of space ventures, where investing in commercial space exploration and satellite technology is no longer confined to science fiction. Sustainable investing, profits with a purpose. As the world grapples with environmental challenges and social inequities, a new movement has taken root: sustainable investing. With the rise of ESG, environmental, social, and governance criteria, investors can now align their values with their investment choices. Supporting companies that prioritize ethical practices, sustainability, and positive social impact becomes a conscious and profitable choice. Risk management, the safety net for investors. Every performer, no matter how skilled, encounters occasional missteps. Similarly, investing carries inherent risks. Understanding and managing these risks is crucial for any investor's long-term success. Risk management techniques like diversification, setting realistic expectations, and rebalancing your portfolio act as safety nets, cushioning you against market volatility and unforeseen events. Remember that investing is a dynamic and ever-evolving art form. Embrace change, embrace diversity, and embrace sustainable practices that not only grow your wealth, but also leave a positive impact on the world. As you dance your way into the future, be bold, be informed, and be patient. Investing is not a race, but a symphony, where every note you play adds depth and richness to your financial melody. So, go forth and compose your financial masterpiece, blending the elegance of bonds with the dynamism of stocks, while always staying attuned to the rhythm of the world around you. If this journey has inspired and enlightened you, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay in tune with our future adventures. Share your investing stories and tips in the comments below, and together, let's create a harmonious community of confident investors. Until our next crescendo, happy investing.